There are 4 types of dance I suggest you become at least a little familiar with before you audition for musical theater. Taking a few lessons in each will help round out your performance education and make you a more hireable singer. The first type of dance you should get familiar with is ballet. I know, guys, but bear with me. Ballet teaches you grace, precision of movement, and how to use your body in dance to create a performance, which is something you can combine with your singing performance. Now, for you guys out there who are thinking to yourself that ballet is a girls' class and there's no way you're doing it, just remember that a lot of professional boxers and other fighters also take ballet. It helps you learn amazing balance and coordination, and that's a skill you can apply to a lot of physical activities. Okay, the second type of dance you should study is jazz. Jazz is a lot like ballet. It's very much about finding your center of balance and learning to move and turn and spin with grace. But jazz is a much flashier version. There's a lot more energy and flair and emotion in it. You can see examples of jazz dancing in a lot of really big musical productions. The third type of dance to study for musical theater is tap dancing. Tap dancing teaches you how to move those feet. Now, it's a lot about showmanship and flash, and that's what makes it a very theatrical style of dance. Like jazz, you'll see tap in a lot of musical productions. Lyrical dance is another form to look into as you start musical theater. Now, lyrical actually has nothing to do with words or lyrics in this case. It's taken from the definition of the word lyrical, which is having a poetic, expressive, energetic quality. That's lyrical dancing. It's very much a combination of ballet and jazz with newer dance techniques mixed in to make it its own thing. Study any one or all 3 types of dance will better prepare you to sing in musical theater. It'll definitely be worth your time if Broadway singing is something you're even considering trying. That about wraps it up for our lesson on musical theater. I hope we inspired you to try some new things and add some new skills to your repertoire. I hope to see you up on stage in that spotlight someday. But for now, I'll settle for seeing you in our next lesson. See you then.